everybody, I am Aishani Verma from class 4. Today I will tell you one prayer. Father, we thank thee for the night and for the present morning light, for rest and food and loving care and all that make the world fair. Help us to do the things we should do, be others kind and good. In all we do, in all we say, to grow more loving every day. Thank you.
Good morning. Today I, Anubhuti Adhikari of class 5. Today I am going to tell you a speech on positive thinking. So let's start. A negative thinker sees a difficulty in every opportunity, but a positive thinker sees an opportunity in every difficulty. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, all of my dear friends and teachers. I am Vansika Bora from class 4. Today I am going to tell you news. National news. First, Metro Rail will be allowed to operate from September 7th. Second, 110-year-old Kerala woman beats COVID-19. Third, Chennai Hospital performs Asia's first COVID-19 positive lung transplant. International news. First, Brazil surpassed 120,000 COVID deaths. Second, Berlin brass for anti-corona demonstration. Third, 14 killed in wake of Hurricane Laura in US. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Rasi Bajeta. Today I am telling about word of the day. Optimism, meaning hopefulness and confidence.